Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, it's lovely to have you here. I mainly do jewelry making tutorials because I do have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, where you'll find jewelry, craft and jewelry making supplies. Now I currently have an offer of 10% off of a £10 spend. I also have a clearance sale which I am adding to every day. I'll put all the links down below for you, so if you're interested, please do go and check it out. If you have placed orders with me, thank you so much. I really appreciate your orders. Now I'm here today because I want to talk about this. Where has this been all my life? Mod Podge Dimensional Magic. If you saw a previous video that I did making cabochons, in this instance I was wanting to make some racing theme cabochons. I was trying different glues and resins and all sorts, but this, oh my. Now if you're in the UK like me, I watch lots of channels from the US and they'll show hauls from like Hobby Lobby, is Michael still a thing? You have the Dollar Tree, oh so many. Okay, we don't have everything. We are not lucky enough to have all the stores that you have. I mean, that's why I've got my own website. I buy a lot of things in from overseas because we just don't stock them here. So this is what I'm going to talk about, Mod Podge Dimensional Magic. This is a game changer for me. I wish I had discovered this sooner. I have opened this. I'm just going to take it out. This is what the bottle looks like. Please do not do what I did without reading the instructions. I gave it a really good shake. Please don't do that. You get all these air bubbles inside and it's a pain to work with. It's taken about a week for the bubbles to go from this. Now, I do not stock this on the website. It's so hard to find here in the UK. I did find on Amazon, it was £13.95, but I have found it on eBay for £6.90. I am so pleased with it. If you turn it over, it does say, do not shake, causes bubbles. Don't be an idiot like me. Apply to highlight and add dimension to projects. Let dry 3 hours. Clean up with soap, cool water, made in USA. Let's pop that there. So this was 2 fluid ounces. We tend to use mil in the UK, so 59 mil. And it said, add special effects to your finished decoupage projects. Create faux mosaic, quilt and other textures with added dimension. Dries clear and allows the full colour of the surface below to show through. Works with Mod Podge acrylic paint, dyes, pigments and more. Stay put formula, won't sag or run. It's perfect for jewellery and paper crafting. How to use: turn bottle at angle and squeeze gently to release liquid. You really do not have to give it much squeeze at all, as I found out. Claire, who is very heavy-handed. Fill space desired and allow to dry for 24 hours before handling. Keep out of extreme temperatures or humidity while drying to prevent cracking. Well, obviously I want it for the cabochons. So this is a 12mm circle cutter. These are the clear glass domes. This is just photocopy paper that I printed out. I don't have a special printer or anything. In the previous video you will see me trying card. So here are the ones that I've already made and I'm really happy with them, but I do need to make a lot more. Because I've already done a video, I'm just going to very quickly just make a couple with you. Now I do journaling. Look at these. I think these are absolutely fab to use in your junk journaling, so I will keep those. And I literally just went through. I think my plan is to do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me move that because it does make your eyes go a bit funny. You can see on here, this, I used to love this, but I used super glue and it went straight through. It really ruined it, so I just use this now. And all I do, so I turned it upside down and have a tiny blob in the middle. Pop this on. That's it. That's all there is to it. If you want to wipe some off, I would get some tissue. You have got time to play about. If you want to like push things over a little bit like that, you can do that. And I just turn them. I'm just going to turn them over. Right, so let's do these. See, tiny, tiny little blob in the middle. You don't need very much at all. So a tiny bit really does go a long way. So just move them over on top. And what I do is I do lift them and turn them over. It does come off of your hands. You might have to give it a little bit of a scrub, but it's not like using super glue. Whatever way works for you, add in this. I am quite a messy crafter anyway. Let's just do that one that I lift it up and turn it over. See if they're not in the right place, you can just move them over. But I think it's a game changer, because if these are only, obviously these are 12mm. If you imagine if you've got a 20mm, 25mm, you can really get some detail in there, like names. Pop the lid on. They will look exactly like those, guaranteed. So if you want to make cabochons, or you like working with resin, do go and check this out. It's amazing. No need for a UV lamp, so you have a much more clearer workspace. I do hope you find that useful. If you can like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I do have lots of tutorials available, and if you can leave a comment down below. The YouTube algorithm sees the interaction and then it shares my videos out to more people, and that way my small channel can grow. And if you don't know what to say, just let me know what country you're watching me from. You can put some emojis, you can tell me your favourite colour, what's the weather like. So many ideas, but it really does help the YouTube algorithm push my videos out to more people. So thank you so much for watching. Take care everyone, and as always, happy crafting.